How to log into your CIBC Costco Mastercard account. In order to do that, you have to have a web browser on your PC. So I'm just using Google Chrome. You can use whatever you have. And then simply search for CIBC Mastercard login. Once you search for it, this web page will show up and you have to click on this first link that says CIBC Online Banking Sign On. This will directly take you to the login portal of your Mastercard. So once you do this, here is your login portal. So before we go any further into the video, make sure to give like to the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Alright, so once you are on this login portal, you need to make sure that you have your bank account linked to your card. So you need to have a bank account first to use this card. After you have made sure that your bank account is linked to the card, what you can do is simply add your card number right here. And once you enter your card number, you can enter your password. And for some reason, after you have entered your card number and password, if you're not able to sign in, make sure that these details are correct, your password and card number, because sometimes if you made a typing mistake, you will not be able to log in. So once you have done that, if you want the browser to remember this card number, just tap on this box. And if you want to reset your password or you forgot your password, you can reset your password from here. It will send you a reset link to your email or your phone number. And that's how you can easily sign in to your CIBC Costco Mastercard. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.